If you need to block someone on Uber Eats, follow these straightforward steps to ensure your experience remains positive and secure. Step 1. Open the Uber Eats app. Launch the Uber Eats application on your smartphone or tablet. Make sure you are logged into your account. Step 2. Go to Account Settings. Tap on the profile icon or the account menu, usually located in the bottom right corner of the screen. From there, look for the Settings option. Step 3. Access Privacy Settings. In the Settings menu, find and select the Privacy or Privacy Settings option. This section will allow you to manage your interactions and preferences. Step 4. Block the user. Within the privacy settings, look for an option to block users or manage blocked contacts. Enter the username or contact information of the person you wish to block and confirm your choice. Step 5. Confirm the block. After blocking the user, you should receive a confirmation message. Ensure that the user is now listed in your blocked contacts to prevent any future interactions. By following these steps, you can effectively block someone on Uber Eats and maintain a more enjoyable experience. If you have any further questions or need assistance, consider reaching out to Uber Eats support.